Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add YouTube playlist to Rythm bot. Before this tutorial start, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorial and review. Okay, now open our Google and then select a random playlist. Okay, I will select this. Okay, now you go to the title, right click the title. You will see a selection called copy link address. Press this, then minimize, go to your Discord. Exclamation mark P space Control V and then press enter. And then you now see the plays are playing. But this okay. Now don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.